Step back in time to the golden age of air travel at the TWA Hotel. Walk through those iconic glass doors and you'll see the ever-changing flight arrival board. It's all perfectly preserved nostalgia. As you enter the white terminal, the reception area welcomes you. Vintage flight attendant uniforms, polished chrome, and a soundtrack of Sinatra complete the timeless atmosphere. This mid-century marvel was designed by 𝐼𝐸 in 1962 and has that unforgettable retro vibe straight out of Mad Men. Head up to the legendary Sunken Lounge with curved red seating. The gleaming 𝐬𝐻𝐾 Constellation plane is just outside. Around the corner, you'll spot old school rotary telephones. Do you remember those? I sure do. But wait a minute, I think I'm aging myself. Then there's a mock 1960s beauty salon. It's perfect for that photo op for IG or TikTok. Go just around the corner some more and you'll see a Twister game room that invites you to play like it's 1962. Welcome to one of the most iconic features of the TWA Hotel, the Connie Wall, and the legendary Lockheed Constellation airplane, fondly known as the Connie. With its sleek curves and triple tail design, this aircraft was once the crown jewel of commercial aviation. On the next wall, a time capsule takes you straight back to 1962, the year the TWA Flight Center opened and the world was buzzing with excitement. Frank Sinatra crooned his way into American hearts, while the Beatles were topping charts in the UK. Baseball fans will remember that 1962 marked the birth of the New York Mets, and Sean Connery made his debut as James Bond in Dr. No, sparking a franchise. TV entered a new era as the Jetsons became one of the first color TV shows. Meanwhile, astronaut John Glenn made history as the first American to orbit the Earth. And in the White House, John Kennedy led the nation. Check out the wall's fun facts comparing life in 1962 to now. Back then, the US population was near 186 million. Life expectancy was 70 years. The average home cost was $12,500. A new car, $3,000. A dozen eggs, 32 cents. A far cry from the world we know now. It's amazing to see how much life has changed in over 60 years. Now let's step outside because the journey isn't over. Beyond these doors sits a true piece of aviation history, the Lockheed Constellation Connie. Once a proud TWA aircraft that soared across continents, she's now been lovingly restored and transformed into a stunning cocktail lounge. You'll see her gleaming in classic TWA red and white. The Connie isn't just a plane. She's a symbol of innovation, elegance, and the timeless magic of flight. At the TWA Hotel, she continues to tell her story. One drink, one memory, and one traveler at a time. Step onto the third floor of the TWA Hotel and prepare for a true fashion runway in the sky, the TWA Flight Attendant Uniform Exhibit. Here, decades of timeless style tell the story of aviation through design, elegance, and innovation. Each glass case showcases a different era, from the refined 1940s to the bold, jet-setting 1970s, highlighting how air travel and fashion took flight together. In the early years, designer Oleg Cassini, known for his glamorous feminine silhouettes, brought sophistication and grace to the cabin. As the world stepped into the mod era, Stan Harmon took over, adding pops of color, smart tailoring, and practical yet stylish fabrics. Then, in the 1970s, Ralph Lauren and Valentino lent their touch of high fashion. Think bold collars, crisp lines, and a touch of jet set chic that made every flight feel like a first-class affair. From pillow box hats to tailored blazers and go-go boots, each design reflects not just changing trends, but the evolution of women in aviation. from attendants to ambassadors of the skies. So take your time and admire the details, because here, every stitch, every fabric, and every uniform tells a story. We made our way down the signature red carpet tunnel and into our runway room. Sleek, modern, and beautifully designed, it featured floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the runway and a spacious bathroom with retro touches. Watching planes take off and land right outside our room was the perfect reminder. At the TWA Hotel, travel isn't just a journey, it's an experience. We didn't get to enjoy everything the TWA Hotel had to offer after a 19-hour flight. We were exhausted, but they have the Paris Cafe serving up French-inspired dishes in a retro setting overlooking the jetway. Then there's a full fitness center, one of the largest hotel gyms in the world, with any equipment you might need. There's also a sleek conference center perfect for meetings and events. And of course, there's the hotel's crown jewel, the heated rooftop infinity pool and observation deck with panoramic views of JFK's runways. We didn't have the energy to dive in, but it's definitely on our list for the next trip, because at the TWA Hotel, even layovers feel like a destination. Just from this breathtaking spot, you can see into the elements. We have an outside tub for you to relax. Bam! Yara and Freddie. Floating breakfast from this area. This artwork piece is just amazing. Well, stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our updates.